This is the story of Veervara, who had no one in this world except for his uncle. But his uncle, Hathi Singh, didn't like him. In reality, he was more like an enemy to him. He always used to trouble Veervara so that he would leave his home and go somewhere else. And then he could claim his property.
Hathi uncle, the door of my house is open. I'll return in a while.
Go, my child, go. I will make your life so difficult that you will leave everything and run away from this home, believe it or not.
Oh, where is my goat? Uncle, have you seen my goat anywhere?
Oh, she must have run towards the jungle.
Veervara had realized from his past experiences that this work was not of anyone else, but of his uncle Hathi Singh. That's why he made a plan.
Huh? My dear, what is in these bags?
Uncle, I found my lost goat with great difficulty. I needed the money, so I sold her in the city. And in exchange, I got 4 bags of coins.
He found his lost goat in the jungle and sold it for 4 bags of coins. Really? That's great news, huh? I'll buy them at a low price here and sell them at a high price there. Believe it or not.
After hearing Veervara's story, Hathi Singh came to the village and bought many goats. He took them to the city, where he got a very low price for them. Seeing this, he became furious.
He made a fool out of me. I'll teach him a lesson for this.
What is this?
My dear nephew's house is burning.
How did this happen?
I tried a lot, but couldn't put out the fire, believe it or not.
Looking at his burning house, Veervara cries a lot. After this incident, he decides to leave his village forever. He wraps the ashes of his house in a cloth and sets out from there.
Why is he sitting with this pile of ashes? Let's go and ask. What's the matter, friend? I have never seen you here before. And why are you sitting with this pile of ashes?
For you, it might just be ashes, but for me, it's my entire world.
Your entire world? This must be some sacred ash.
Sacred ash?
Oh, really? Can I get a little ash? You can take some coins for this.
No, absolutely not.
Okay, friend. If you don't want to sell, at least give me a pinch of it.
Yes, me too.
Me too. I have heard that the great miracles happen with such sacred ashes. Now, please don't refuse these coins.
Now, considering Veervara to be a great saint, people started to gather there to take a pinch of ash from his hands. And this time, not for free. But people also gifted Veervara a lot of offerings in return. Now, in exchange for the ashes, Veervara had received a good number of coins. Taking them, he returned to his village. After hearing his story, his uncle Hathi Singh was astonished.
If you can get so many coins from the ashes of your small house, then with the ashes of my house, I will become the wealthiest person in the village, believe it or not.
Hathi Singh set his house on fire and then reached the same place with its ashes.
What's there in these bags, my friend?
Ashes.
Eh?
What? Ashes? Huh?
Another one has come with the ash.
Cheater!
No, that there is no miracle in this ash.
You cheater! Don't leave him! He won't let you go!
He fooled me again. This time I'll put an end to this Veervara story. I won't spare him, believe it or not.
A few days later, Hathi Singh took Veervara for a walk near a pond to take his revenge.
Hey, look there, a mermaid.
Where? Save me! I don't know how to swim!
Oh, I know that. Now go and meet the mermaid below the pond. Because whoever goes down from here never comes back. Believe it or not. Oh. Veervara, you? And who is she?
Princess, go and seek Uncle's blessings.
Greetings, Uncle.
Princess? What is all this?
I told you, Princess. My uncle is very innocent.
Thank you very much for pushing him into the water. You don't know that. By letting him drown into the water, you have changed my life.
Me? Believe it or not, but how?
There is a different kingdom under the water. I fell into the magnificent palace of the underwater princess. Where, apart from saving me, we also got married yesterday. There is a lot of treasure in their palace. They have gold and silver scattered everywhere around their palace.
Is it?
You must visit our place.
Due to the seed of greed that Veervara had planted in the mind of greedy Hathi Singh, he couldn't resist it for long. In the temptation of gold and silver, Hathi Singh jumps straight into the deep pond. And he never comes out again.
Oh, Uncle, hurry up! The treasure inside is waiting for you.
Where is it? Where is it?
Thank you so much for saving my life and pretending to be the princess to help me get rid of my greedy uncle forever.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.